Hey, okay on the changes with the floating shelves. One question, if we do the mantle at 72, this is the size and scale. It'll still work, but we're gonna have to push these cabinets over to the right. This whole section needs to go to the right. So I know this isn't built up yet, I don't believe. But right now I've got the step out with the mantle 49.5 from the left wall. The mantle is 67.5. So let me know if you're going to make this is the step out to the fireplace. If you're going to make that wider, yeah, right here, 67.5. And then that mantle at 72. Let me know. Thanks.